Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a mop head. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You can use many different products to clean a mop head, but I like a very simple and natural solution. I don't like using lots of chemicals, because if you clean your mop head with different chemicals, then you don't really soak it completely enough with water at the end. Those chemicals are then going to transfer onto your floor, so I like natural solutions. What I have here is a bucket of warm water. It's pretty warm to the touch, okay? You don't want to use really hot water, but you want to use warm water, because that will allow you to have the best adhesion to the actual threads of the mop head. Then all that you need is some regular dish soap, okay? You can use any kind of dish soap, but you want to apply a significant amount of dish soap to that water. Not a couple drops, you want to put a significant amount in there because the dish soap is essentially what is going to be cleaning the mop head, okay? Then you're going to follow a very specific motion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the mop in there, and I'm going to telescope this handle down a little bit, so it's just a little bit easier for me to work with, okay? So I just telescoped it down a bit. Now with the mop in the bucket with water and dish soap, you want to first start off by mixing that dish soap around, okay? So you can see I'm just moving it around to mix it. Now that we have all those bubbles there, we're ready to actually do the cleaning. We're going to use our hands to create a washing machine effect with the mop head, okay? So we're going to start off by going up and down, and then we're going to spin it back and forth like this. Now this is a telescoping handle, so I'm going to have to twist it on nice and tightly to do this, okay? Just like that. Up and down, back and forth. Up and down, and you want to tap the bottom of the bucket like that. Back and forth. Up and down, back and forth. Let me show you the water so far. And this mop is relatively clean to begin with. You can probably see it's pretty gross already. Okay, and this mop, like I said, this was not a dirty mop. It was a relatively clean mop. So if your mop is super dirty, the water is going to get really dirty really quickly. But nonetheless, the soap and water is still going to act as a cleaning agent. So up and down, and side to side, twist it side to side like that. Up and down, tap the bottom of the bucket, because that'll make sure you're getting all of the lengths of the bristles. Up and down, side to side. Up and down, side to side, okay? Then, once that's done, first and foremost, look at the mop head already. You can already see it's much whiter. It looks much cleaner than it was, okay? So that's the first thing you need to do. Now, what I recommend that you do is, if at this point you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and rinse it with water. No problem. You can rinse your mop head with water, and it'll be done with. However, what I recommend is that if you have the time and the extra soap to use, I'd recommend that you go and empty this bucket out, and you do the same thing again. You put water in it, okay? And you want to make sure you rinse your mop in between your cleaning. So right now, I would empty this bucket out, I would rinse my mop, okay? Then I would fill it again with warm water, the bucket. I'd fill the bucket with warm water, put some more soap, and I'd go at it again, a second time. Just like that, up and down, tapping the bottom of the bucket, spin it side to side, up and down, side to side, up and down, side to side, okay? And you really only need to do it for, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes, and you're gonna get the majority of the cleaning done using the soap, okay? And if you really have a really dirty mop, you can even go ahead and do it a third time. Okay? When you're done, make sure, and in between cleanings, when you're done and in between cleanings, make sure you just rinse it with water, and that's it, okay? That is how to clean a mop head using a very natural solution. Like I said, we're not using chemicals here, we're not using harsh products. This is what we use to clean our dishes. This is what we use to clean our hands, okay? So it's a very natural solution. That's why I really like it. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.